Today we're showcasing the class-leading safety features on the new Hino 300 series, including pre-collision system with autonomous braking, lane departure warning system, vehicle stability control and reverse camera. These safety features are part of the comprehensive safety package Hino SmartSafe, which is found in all the 300 series models. Daniel Petrovski, Manager of Product Strategy for Hino Australia, will talk you through each of these active safety features with a demonstration using a professional driver under controlled conditions. The new 300 series really is the safest Japanese truck in its class, and today we'll show you why.
Safety is a central design principle of all new Hino trucks in the Australian market, and the new 300 series delivers on this. It's the safest truck ever offered by a Japanese manufacturer in the Australian light-duty truck market. It answers a lot of the major safety issues that confront the transport industry and other road users who share the road. With the implementation of advanced driver assist technology, we hope you never have a reason to use these class-leading active safety features, but here's how they work. Pre-collision system is an active safety feature that detects a potential collision with another vehicle or pedestrian using radar and image sensors. PCS continuously scans the road ahead of the truck and assists the driver to minimise the accidents that can occur through poor vision, driver distraction or poor judgment. The system is particularly useful in avoiding common nose-to-tail accidents, such as when traffic unexpectedly builds up or when the driver fails to notice vehicles ahead, slowing or stopping. Once PCS detects a vehicle and imminent collision, the system will warn the driver audibly and visually. If the driver fails to react, PCS can, as a last resort, autonomously apply the brakes to reduce speed and minimise damage, or in some cases, even avoid the collision altogether. Also, if PCS detects a pedestrian, it will warn the driver and apply the same actions. Lane departure warning system helps limit the significant amount of off-path incidents on our roads. Utilising the PCS camera to monitor the traffic lines on the road, the system detects if the driver deviates from the lane without the turn indicators being used. In this scenario, the system visually and audibly warns the driver. Vehicle stability control is the foundation of Hino's advanced driver assist SmartSafe technology. VSC continuously monitors vehicle speed, steering angle, wheel rotation, yaw rate and lateral G-forces. The system can detect and help prevent rollovers in conditions such as cornering too fast, and can assist vehicle stability in slippery conditions or in understeer situations where the vehicle no longer turns at the desired rate. The front tyres slip across the road in a widening arc. The opposite condition is oversteer. With oversteer, the rear of the vehicle begins to break away and slide. VSC technology intervenes, managing power delivery and applying brake forces as required in each corner of the vehicle. And like all Hino trucks, the new Hino 300 series comes with a high definition, night vision enabled, with microphone reversing camera. In addition to what you've been shown, the new Hino 300 series also includes dual SRS airbags, four-wheel ventilated disc brakes, UNECER 29 cab strength and daytime running lamps. With Hino, these advanced safety features are engineered as standard inclusions, not optional extras. The new 300 series is the safest, the most powerful and the most efficient light-duty Japanese truck on the market.
So there you have it, The new 300 series is the safest Japanese truck in its class. It really is built for safety, ready for anything.